Hey, what's up YouTube? Hope you guys are staying safe and you're keeping healthy. Today I'm going to go over the Nuwave 6-quart air fryer. I've had this for a year, so I'm just going to let you guys know how it's held up in terms of just build quality. Has anything broken down? First off, I can tell you right off the bat, like all the functions still work, like all the features, the menu, the wattage, I can still adjust it. No issues there. Food cooks just the same. But in terms of build quality, I feel like Nuwave still has a long way to go. And now I'm gonna tell you why I'm saying that. So I've used this on and off like 2 or 3 times a month for the past year, and so that's my usage. So opening up the tray, here is the inside of it, and I'm just gonna unlock this right here to release that. So if you look at the bottom of the tray, now in terms of build quality, you can see that the coating down here is like starting to peel. You see that right here? And right here. So I mean, that's a big disappointment in my opinion, like, because you can no longer put food on the bottom of this tray. The non-stick coating is peeling, so that's really disappointing. So hopefully you're lucky and this doesn't happen to you, but like this is what happened to the one I have. And so yeah, and you also see all these marks here. Like I've used the sponge on the soft side of the sponge, of course, because like you don't want to like make this worse. So I used the soft side of the sponge, but like there's still a lot of marks here. And like I said again, the coating is peeling off, so that's really disappointing. But ultimately, like I usually just put the food on this metal rack right here, so like it actually doesn't touch the bottom of the basket. It's just really unsightly when you see that the coating is peeling. But just letting you guys know, like I usually just put the food on this metal wire rack, so like it doesn't touch the bottom. Another thing that kind of is scary is like when you're lifting this handle right here, like to hold the entire basket, like you see that like it kind of moves up. So I'm just gonna like let go of I'm just gonna hold it in place. You see that? Got my left hand underneath the basket in case it falls out. I mean, it has never fallen out, but whenever I lift it, like this thing pops up, and I'm just afraid that, you know, one day like the basket's gonna fall off. Even though I lift the handle, it just doesn't seem very firm right here. But so far, like whenever I lift the handle of the basket, it's never fallen off. And so those are like the 2 things that really stick out to me in terms of build quality. Like number 1, this handle right here, it doesn't feel very stable when you lift it because that thing pops up. And number 2, like the coating, the non-stick coating is starting to peel, so it's really unsightly and you can't put food on the bottom of the basket anymore. But everything else works just fine. It cooks just the same. And another aspect of the Nuwave air fryer is that, like I also have like this small toaster oven. It's also a convection, so I'm starting to use that more, and I'm starting to use the air fryer less because it's actually like harder to clean the air fryer compared to like a small convection toaster oven. So I'm not using this as much anymore, and I'm starting to like move towards using the small toaster oven. So like sometimes I question whether I really need this device. Like if you have a convection oven, it does exactly the same thing, like it just moves the heat around. So I'm starting to use this less. So yeah, that is my take on the design and the durability of this machine 1 year later. Anyways guys, hope you like my review. Hope you guys are staying safe, and if you like this video, please hit like or subscribe, And see you guys in the next video. All right, peace out.